Want to forward YouTube videos to your Slack channel? Here's how to set it up with RSS app in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the URL of any YouTube channel, playlist, or search query. Then, open RSS.app and paste that URL into the generator. Save it to your feeds, then click the Slack icon, log into your account, and authorize RSS app to access your workspace. Select your channel from the dropdown, or you can choose the Channel ID option. To find it, open Slack, right-click the channel name, select Copy, Copy Link, and paste that link into RSS app. If your channel is private or not showing up, just open it in Slack, go to Channel Details, Integrations, click Add an App, and add news alerts. Then go back to RSS app and hit Save. Once you save, the latest 3 videos will be sent automatically so you can confirm the connection. You can also push older posts anytime with the Send Post button. From there, fine-tune your feed. Apply filters to exclude duplicates or only forward videos containing specific keywords. In the Settings tab, you can customize the bot's name and avatar and decide exactly what appears in each post. Finally, check the History tab anytime to see what was sent and when. That's it. Stop copy-pasting and automate your workflow today with RSS app.